Nakamura AS 200 range is one of the best selling machine tools here at ETG. Why is this, Chloe?
Okay, so as you can see, very good looking machines, okay? Intelligent, compact, quick, and that's all that needs to be said, really.
I mean, the integrity of this machine is second to none. It's got such a good reputation in the marketplace, and these machines are in stock.
Yeah, they are. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're doing a stock replenishment where we're giving you a chance to get these stock machines at a reasonable price, well, a really, really good price, and then we're going to take them out, more stock in, exactly the same again. So there's such a small market for this, okay, and we're giving it to our customers.
One of the best machine tools in the market, in stock here at ETG. This is a twin spindle turret with milling capability, and this is not the only AS model that we have here. We've also got this model here. Chloe, what's the difference?
Okay, so as you can see, they're both AS long beds, meaning the bed, but we've actually got a sub spindle on this one and a tailstock on this one, so you can have your extras, you can manipulate your machine to what your company needs.
So let's have a look inside this one. So we've got single spindle, again bare spindle, turret, and your tailstock.
Yeah, so as you can see, this has just been dropped off, ready for PDI to get their hands on it and ready for the customer to be sent out.
We don't usually get this luxury of seeing the machine tools at this stage. So how long will it take to get it to the customer?
Okay, so all in all, probably take about a week with all the PDI and everything, but that's such a quick turnaround than normally what you get with everything.
Now, you wouldn't usually expect to get a Nakamura on your shop floor within days. This is a great opportunity to get one of these machine tools within your facility in days, and a special offer from ETG is also available.
Yeah, we also have the WT range and an NTY3 range as well available.
So there you have it from Chloe at ETG. Make the most of this opportunity, it won't last long.